Okay, ladies and gentlemen, mainly gentlemen, today we have a build inside the Antec DF600 Flux case. Inside this system we have the Asrock B550 Taichi motherboard. Now of course we need a really good CPU to pair with this B550, so we ended up going with our Ryzen 9 3900X CPU. Now I personally haven't seen this RAM too much before. We first saw it in our last Antec DF600 Flux build. This is the Antec Katana RAM. So we've got 32 gigs of that going into this system. Now for the storage, we ended up going with the Seagate Firecuda 520 M.2 SSD, 1 terabyte of storage right there. Now, as you guys know, we build these PCs to be display systems, so specs might be a bit crazy to some of you guys. You may be wondering why we chose a B550 board paired with the 3900X and vice versa. These display systems, they get built, they get taken apart, that's it. They're pretty much together for about one day. Now we had no particular theme when building this PC. We just wanted to create a nice, clean, water-cooled build because we're getting ready for some juicy cards coming up. Speaking of the graphics card, we have none other than the RTX 2080. Sorry guys, we don't have a 30 series card yet. Maybe wait until next week. So we're putting the MSI SEAHAWK RTX 2080 inside this system. So guys, what I want you to do is let me know what color scheme you think I'm going to go with down in the comments below, and what color scheme would you have gone for just looking at these components. This is gonna be a fun one, so sit back, relax, and I hope you all enjoy. Whoa, wait. I'll leave the hardware specs list in the description below. You guys can go check those out. And then of course, you could start the flaming in the comments because I don't have the RTX 3000 series card yet. I hope you all enjoy. We customize PC builds daily, but did you know you can customize your online location to access content which is not available in your country? Today's video sponsor, Private Internet Access VPN, can help you do just that. PIA, founded in 2010, is the leading no-log VPN service. You can access up to 70 different countries to securely browse the internet risk-free due to their data encryption. PIA VPN works on all platforms and has dedicated apps for all devices so that you can have simultaneous connection for up to 10 devices. So what is a VPN? VPNs give you privacy by creating a private network from a public internet connection. They mask your IP address so that your online actions are secure and untraceable. After all, you don't want anyone stealing that banking information. To begin, simply choose the region you wish to connect to and toggle the switch on and off for use. One of our all-time favorite shows is The Office, but is not available here on Netflix. By switching over to a US-based server, I can watch The Office whenever I want. PIA also unblocks Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and BBC. If you are interested in Private Internet Access VPN, you can go through my link to support my channel and get a 77% discount and 3 extra months for free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'll leave all those links in the description.